Welcome Northshore Clinical Instructors. This is a brief 5-minute tutorial for using the TracPrac system to manage clinical evaluation. TracPrac is a digital clinical evaluation system. It is web-based for students and instructors to manage clinical evaluation entries. Here are the best practices for using TracPrac. 1. If you ever forget your password, click on the Forgot Password under the sign-in box to reset. 2. If you're using a Mac, please always use the Safari browser. And if you're using a PC, avoid Internet Explorer. And 3, our support is available 7 days a week. We have live chat on our website Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. You may always reach us by phone or by email as well. Getting started for clinical instructors. First, you will sign in at TracPrac.com. You will click on the Evaluation tab and select Northshore PN. Click Create at the beginning of the semester to create the evaluation for each student. Once the evaluation opens, you will select the student name from the dropdown, type in the semester, summer, spring, fall, and choose the clinical course. Under the columns marked with the day, you will select the clinical date from the calendar and type in your clinical subject. Step 2. The clinical instructor will select a rating for each competency on the page. Comments for each competency are optional. To view rating descriptions, click on the information icon next to the competency label. To advance to the next tab, you will click Next at the bottom right corner. Tab 2 contains the entries for days 13 through 24. So if you're submitting days 1 through 12, you will skip to the bottom on the second tab to submit to the student. Step 3 is the final step to submit to the student. At the bottom of the second tab, you will have the opportunity to type in overall comments to the student and/or goals for the student. If there are no comments or goals for that particular day, you may continue to type your name and select the date in the calendar and click Submit to send the entry to the student. To return to Find Evaluations, you will go back to the Evaluation tab and select Northshore PN. You will then see the listing of all student evaluations on the page. You may search by student name to find the student you need. If you see the green Continue Eval, you may click the button to add the next clinical entry. If the status shows Submitted to Student, it is awaiting the student's acknowledgement. You may click Export to download a PDF copy of the clinical evaluation at any time. Here are the last steps for the end of the clinical course. The final step to complete an evaluation is to confirm the summative statement, to confirm the student is passing. The yellow summative button will not become visible until the last week of the course. At that time, the clinical instructor may click the yellow button and complete the evaluation by confirming the statement. Once it is completed, the evaluations will move to the completed filter. To view all completed evaluations, you will need to change the filter from ongoing to completed. Thank you for watching this instructor video tutorial. You may access this video anytime at the link shown on the screen. Please contact support with any additional questions. Thank you.